In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my PayPal username. If you're trying to locate your PayPal username, the good news is that it's very quick and easy to check once you're logged into your account. In most cases, what PayPal shows as your username is simply the name attached to your account. And if you also use paypal.me, you may see that username listed there as well. To begin, go to your PayPal account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main account page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the settings shortcut. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. After you open the settings area, you'll be taken to a page that shows your main profile and account details. Here you should be able to see the name associated with your PayPal account. For many users, this is effectively the username they're looking for, since PayPal typically identifies accounts by the real name connected to the profile rather than by a separate traditional username like some other platforms do. If you have a paypal.me account set up, there's one more thing to check on this same screen. Under your name, you may also see your paypal.me username or link displayed. That can be especially useful if you're trying to share your payment profile with someone else or confirm the public name connected to your paypal.me page. So to recap in a simple way, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then check the account information shown there. Your PayPal username is usually just your real name on the account, and if you have paypal.me, that username may also appear underneath your name. One helpful tip is to make sure you're looking at the correct account if you manage more than one PayPal login, such as a personal and a business account. The displayed name can vary depending on which account you're currently signed into. Also, if you're trying to identify what others see when sending or receiving payments, checking the profile details in settings is the best place to confirm that. That's all there is to it. It only takes a few seconds, and now you know exactly where to look to find your PayPal username.